Hello, welcome to Youth Apps. Explore something youthful every day. Today we are going to look at Aadhaar Pay and what is Aadhaar Pay and how is Aadhaar Pay going to work. Right? There have been a lot of news about Aadhaar Pay, in the recent days, right? And most of the people are searching for Aadhaar app, Pay app on the Play Store. Uh, to give you an information, there is no application launched as of now, the Aadhaar Pay. And also, if you are a consumer, I would say, who's going to spend money using Aadhaar or give money spending Aadhaar, you don't need to download any application, right? The Aadhaar Pay application is only for the merchant or the person who's going to sell product to you, right? Let's make things clear. So if you're in a hurry to say, okay, let me use it, let me see how it's going to work, all these things, you don't need to download any application, okay? Uh, so what is Aadhaar? What Aadhaar captures? Everyone knows what Aadhaar is. No, I think it's too much to say. No, what Aadhaar is because there's a lot of information about Aadhaar. Aadhaar is your 12-digit number. Uh, Aadhaar is a 12-digit number. Along with it, it has a combination of fingerprints as well as eye recording. That is iris, and it also has information about your name, gender, date of birth, age, address, mobile number, email address, passport, driving license, bank account, mobiles. What do you say? Mobile numbers. Obviously, Geo you already have. If you use Geo, you would have had the experience of how this Geo how Aadhaar has been collecting information or Aadhaar has been used to get your information, and it also has a PIN and OTP, one-time passport passcode. These all this information has been served in an encrypted Aadhaar server, so we don't need to worry about the safety of the data. What they say as per the document, as per the architecture, is that all the transaction, right, is encrypted. The data has been encrypted in the server in the in the server itself, so you don't need to worry whether this data would be hacked or something. So that's what they say, right? And we are not expert to test it. So to make Aadhaar Pay works, what you need, right? First thing is you need the bank account, right? You need to have a bank account with sufficient balance. I believe most of the people will have it because of the challenge in terms of getting the money out of ATM or the bank. So they try to prefer it to keep it, irrespective of it. I mean, we are speaking about month end, so whether most of the people will be running out of cash. So that's what the status of India is. Again, that's a joke. Don't take it personal. And you also need to have your Aadhaar number, right? And mainly you need to link your Aadhaar number with your bank account. So it's pretty easy task. You can walk up to any of your bank branch and then link it, or any of your bank branches and link it online. Or there are most of the banks provide this option in terms of updating your Aadhaar number in the bank account, uh, online itself. Also, you need to make sure that your mobile number is linked with your bank account, because you get SMS notification, which is very critical when you move in towards this kind of cashless economy or towards Aadhaar Pay, because you need to be notified immediately about someone using it. So let's see how Aadhaar works, right? Um, if you look at our statement, how Aadhaar Pay may work, again, as I said, this is being tested in Andhra Pradesh and some other states. It's not a full-fledged rollout, so we need to wait and see if this is what it is going to be, or is going to be changed. We have read through the document of Aadhaar Pay, or the way forward, and we understand this is what they are planning to do. So, again, to reiterate, you don't need to carry anything. You need to carry, obviously, you need to carry your fingers with you, right? Which should be, because that's where you're going to authenticate. No, that if not, right, and then it's going to be a challenge. So you need to carry you need to remember your 12-digit Aadhaar number. So imagine you're going to shop, you're going to do a purchase. So the shopkeeper will have the application download on his phone, and he's going to ask you for a 12-digit Aadhaar number. So you're going to provide the 12-digit Aadhaar number. Then he's going to enter the rupees, how much transaction you have done. Imagine you have bought something for 200 rupees. You're going to enter 200 rupees, and he's going to ask you to validate using your fingerprint. Now, First thing what you need to check is that what's the value he has entered. So you need to make sure that you see the value, right? Like what we do for credit card swiping or ATM swiping, you need to see if it's 200 or 2000. So you need to make validate that, put it 200, then use your biometric to validate. So once you validate it, that's it. It's pretty simple, isn't it? You're done. The money get credited or debited from your account, credited to him. You get a receipt, right? You get again if you have put in your mobile number, you get an SMS notification, and also there is an email. Say if your email has been updated, you get an email saying that this merchant has used your Aadhaar to validate. So you get a track of a digital tracking in both the ways, email as well as SMS. Now this is how Aadhaar Pay may work. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Let me try to rephrase again. You just need to remember your 12-digit number and make sure you are authenticated. You check the value of the transaction you've done and authenticated. So if you're looking at how this works in the background, we're going to go to the next slide, which will show you in detail how this is going to work. Right. Again, this is going to be a bit detailed. If you think that it's not of your interest, you can just listen to it and ignore it. So first thing, what customer needs to input, the customer needs to put in the Aadhaar number, the amount, and the fingerprint data, which is there. It could be any type of machine. If people have bought Reliance Jio, they would have understood how that small machine will work. You just need to know it's a small black machine, as we shown in the figure. We are not. It's not the same brand. It could be any brand which has been certified by the government of India. Then it goes to the acquirer banks. If I switch, that means that if I am the merchant and I have an account in State Bank of India, it goes to my network, right? If the machine has been provided by SBI, if I have linked my account with SBI, then it goes to SBI. From there, what happens? It goes to the the National Payment Gateway or National Payment Corporation of India. That's a non-profitable entity. Where Aadhaar enabled payment system, that's a gateway where exactly it validates, it collects the information, it works as a bridge, right? And then it goes to the Aadhaar bridge where it validates your fingerprint, your Aadhaar number, if these two matches or not. Once it validates it, it passes the information to the issuer bank, FI. That means since you're watching, imagine if you would have had an account in ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, or any other bank, they will pass information saying that okay, this Aadhaar number linked with this account number has done a transaction of 200 rupees. Do you have 200 rupees on this account? The bank says yes, you have 200 rupees. Then that's been debited, right? The amount would be debited to the acquirer's bank account, and this is the bridge of things. This is how it works in the back. So there's no critical, no major challenges in terms of the users. As consumers, what you need to understand, you just need to understand your 12-digit number and also authenticate the values. Right? How safe is the device? Whether someone can use it? No, someone can put my again. All these questions remains unanswered. The technology develops. We don't know whether it can be done or it cannot be done. How to overcome it and other things. But there's this is how it works. So again, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our videos, please subscribe to our channel, and do share it with your friends so that everyone is aware about Aadhaar Pay. Thank you for watching. Youth Apps. Cheers. Bye.